Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Deleting your TikTok account might seem complicated, but it is actually a straightforward process in 2025. Perhaps you are taking a break or simply want to declutter your digital life. This easy guide will walk you through every single step, ensuring you can permanently remove your profile and all associated data without any confusion. We will cover everything you need to know, from preparation to the final confirmation. Before you tap that delete button, understand that this action is largely permanent after a 30-day grace period. Take a moment to back up any cherished videos or drafts you might want to keep, as they will be permanently removed with your account. It's also important to remember that all your accumulated likes, comments, and direct messages will disappear forever once the deletion is complete. Plan carefully before moving forward. To begin the deletion process, first open your TikTok app and go straight to your profile page. You will then need to tap on the three lines icon, usually found in the top right corner, to access your main menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Account. You will find the option Deactivate or Delete Account listed clearly, which leads you to the next crucial step. Once you are on the Deactivate or Delete Account screen, select Delete Account Permanently and carefully follow the instructions provided. TikTok may ask you to verify your identity, either by entering your password or by sending a verification code to your registered email or phone number. After successful verification, confirm your decision. Your account will then enter a 30-day deactivation period, giving you a small window to change your mind. After the 30-day deactivation period, your TikTok account and all associated content will be permanently deleted from the platform. It's a crucial waiting period. If you change your mind within these 30 days, you can easily reactivate your account by simply logging back in with your credentials. However, if you do not log back in during this time, the deletion becomes irreversible and completely final, meaning your profile will be gone for good.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.